Hi, and welcome back. This is Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside to do your Conway 29527 2024 April update. I'm a little bit behind, but I'm going to catch up with May, and then we'll be caught up because we always have to do them at the end of the month. So let's just see here. 27, and I just want to explain this. So when you see something like this, how this jumps so drastically from all of this and all of a sudden, that means that a very high-end home went for sale and it kind of screwed up the numbers. So that's what happened there. Then, as you can see, went back to normal. So in April, the average square price sold price was $276,199. It averaged 148 days on the market. 138 was the price per square foot, so it's the lowest it's been in 2024. 3.9 months of supply, still building out in 29527 as well. 160 active listings, so we have more than we have the entire time since we've been doing 2024, and this up here in 2023, 55 pending and 47 closed sales. So if you have any questions, please remember this is just single family residential. If you're looking for townhomes, manufactured homes, or condos, you'll have to call me at 843-222-7800 to get those. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.